Hi guys, welcome back to Sunrise Kitchen. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make tahini without adding any oil. So just make sure to watch it until the end so you don't miss out on any parts. So now, let's go right into the video. First, I'm going to start roast sesame seeds on medium heat, and you must add at least 2 cups onto a frying pan, and then I will stir it about 6 to 7 minutes or until it becomes a golden color, and then I will leave it to cool down. And then I'm gonna move it into a blender and I will start blending the seeds. Or you can use food processor if you like, and you just have to follow the same steps that I'm gonna do it with using a blender. And after 2 to 3 minutes of blending, you will see the sesame seeds are starting to become like tahini paste because the oil that inside of sesame seeds is starting to come out, and that's exactly what we want. And when you see the sesame seeds are stuck on the sides like this, just make sure to scrape these sides and then continue blending. And you might need to do this step a couple of times. As you know guys, we are not adding any oil to it, so the process of blending is gonna take longer. So just make sure to give your blender a rest every 2 to 3 minutes of blending. And then we will continue blending until it becomes very smooth and runny tahini. And of course guys, you can add a pinch of salt if you want. And as you can see here, it's starting to become very smooth and runny tahini. And this is the result that I got. It's very smooth and runny tahini. And also very delicious. It's a special taste. Believe me guys, when you try it, you will know what I mean. So I hope you guys like this recipe. Feel free to share this video with your friends. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe too. Hit the notification bell to receive all future videos. And see you in the next video. Bye!